Welcome back, crafty friends. It's Alicia of the Call Me Crafty Al YouTube channel, and today I am back to announce the winner of my recent giveaway. Last week I shared a video where I put together this 4th of July flipbook using ADORNit products, and if you wanted to be entered to win it, you just had a few simple instructions, so I am back today to announce the winner. First though, let's go ahead and have a little peek at what is inside the flipbook. In addition to the goodies that are inside the flipbook, I am also giving away some of the art play printables that are 4th of July themed and this Just Folksy art play coloring book. To be entered to win, subscribers to my channel had to like the video, leave a comment with one of their favorite products from the ADORNit online website, and they had to put the hashtag #EnterMe in the comment so I knew they were interested. So I'm going to be using a random comment picker on the internet, and as long as the winner comes up with that product and the hashtag #EnterMe, that is who will be winning this little package. So let's go ahead and do the drawing. To choose the winner, I just copy the URL from the video and paste that into the YouTube random comment picker. This then will tell me how many unique entries, and when I click start, it's going to scroll through those comments and give me a winner. So let's see if they have all of the requirements in there. Tanisha K. She likes the Art Play Stitchery Free Motion Swan, and she did put hashtag #EnterMe. Congratulations, Tanisha. Thank you to everybody who entered, and Tanisha, make sure to stay tuned for the instructions on how you claim your prize. Again, I just want to say thank you to everyone who took the time to watch that video, to go to the ADORNit website, pick out one of their favorite items, and to enter the giveaway. Tanisha, this is what you're going to do to claim your prize. You will send me an email at callmecraftyal@gmail.com and just let me know that you won the 4th of July flipbook. After you have sent that email, I want you to come back to this video, leave a comment below with the first 3 letters of your email address. That way I'm going to know that it is actually you who emailed me to claim the prize. You have until next Friday, which is July 5th, to contact me by. If I do not hear from Tanisha by next Friday, I will redraw one time. Thanks again for watching. I hope you're all having a crafty day. Bye-bye.